How to use WeTransfer to send files. This tutorial shows you how to send anything from a photo to a full folder without needing to install an app. First, open your browser and go to the WeTransfer website. From there, tap the option to upload files or a folder. After that, browse through your device and select whatever you want to send. At this point, once your files are added, scroll down to enter the email details. Following this, enter the email address of the person you want to send the files to. From here, enter your own email address below that. At this stage, this is what WeTransfer uses to verify it's really you sending the files. Following this, tap Transfer or Send to continue. From here, check your email inbox for a verification code sent by WeTransfer. At this stage, go back to the WeTransfer page and enter that code into the verification field. Following this, tap Verify. From here, once verified, tap Send to complete the transfer. Once sent, the recipient will get an email with a download link, letting them access the files directly without needing a WeTransfer account of their own. That's how you use WeTransfer to send files. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.